Hello, my dear children, class 8. Here today I'm going to tell you question answers of my little book of literature. It's a poem number 10 and the cane bottomed chair. Let's come to its question answers, and on this channel you can find Ratna Sagar publication solution, NCRT book solution, grammar and writing section. And thank you so much for subscribing the channel, liking and sharing. Thank you so much, guys. So, guys, let's come to its question answers. And what the question is given here? The very first question is before you. What is the snug little kingdom of the poet? Means snug means here, comfortable. So, what was the comfortable little kingdom for the poet? And what is given here? A room up to 4 pairs of stairs is the snug or comfortable little kingdom of the poet. Second question is given here. Describe in your own words the poet's favorite place. You know what was the favorite place of poet? The favorite place of the poet was a chamber. Chamber means here a room. So a chamber or room, you can write any one word, in which a cane bottomed chair was placed with some worthless means valueless things, small decorative objects, means some decorative objects were also there, cheap keep keepsakes were also there, and old books. What is the cheap keepsakes? Cheap keepsake means here like memorable gifts given by friends. So some these kind of gifts were also given there. And next question is, what thing does the poet cherish the most in this place and why? Cherish means your most, very favorite or lovable or liked. So what thing does the poet like the most in this place? What was the most favorite thing here? Everybody here, the poet cherish or like, or the favorite thing was here cane bottomed chair. Okay, and in this place cane bottom chair was his favorite thing here, because he feels that his beloved Fanny sits on it with her smiling face. मीन्स उसको ऐसा लगता था कि उसकी जो beloved है फैनी है वो उस चेयर के ऊपर बैठी है. The next question is your fourth one. How does the poet imagine Fanny in the cane bottom chair? कैसे इमेजिन करता है कि उसकी जो बिलाउड है फैनी वो केन बॉटम चेयर के ऊपर बैठी हुई है? कैसे इमेजिन करता है, कैसे कैसे वो बैठी है, किस स्टाइल में बैठी हो यहाँ पे? क्वेश्चन फोर्थ, इट्स आंसर इज हियर. The poet imagined that his beloved Fanny is sitting in the cane bottomed chair with her smiling face, rose in her hair, and a scarf around her neck. The next is given here, fifth one. Whose company does the poet have when his friends have left? जब उसके friends उसको छोड़ के चले जाते हैं तो वो किसकी कंपनी को फील करता है, मीन्स वो किसका साथ यहाँ पर महसूस करता है यहाँ पे? सो ऑब्वियसली द पोइट वाज इन द मेमोरीज ऑफ हिज बिलव्ड. So the poet has memories of his beloved Fanny when his friends have left. Okay, so these were the question answers of this poem. Next is given here, next question, like word power. द पोइट यूजेस मैनी वर्ड्स. पोइट ने यहाँ पे बहुत सारे वर्ड्स का यूज किया है, फ्रेजेस का यूज किया है, जैसे अपने फेवरेट रूम को बताने के लिए जो कि अपस्टेयर्स है, यहाँ पे अपनी बिलव्ड फैनी को बताने के लिए उसने बड़ी सारी फ्रेजेस को यहाँ पे यूज किए पोएम में, लाइक यूजेस ऑफ फ्रेज लाइक थ्रोन ऑफ प्रिंस and cane bottom chair. So you have to find out some more like these phrases from the poem. So very first I have taken like about favorite room. So about favorite room, what kind of phrases are used here? Like away from the world, little kingdom, foolish old odds, foolish old ants, etc. Right? You can write many more if some are also given here. And about to Fanny, what is given here? Like shrine of a sun. Shrine means here like a temple, temple of a sun. Okay, queen of my heart, throne of a prince, and so fresh and fair. So like these phrases are given about to Fanny here. The next question is, write a short poem. You have to write a short poem about your mother, otherwise about your father, or about your sister or your brother, your friend, or your pet. So I have selected one topic that is about mom. Okay, I have written here poem about super mom, and what is given here you can write like this poem according to you. The next is given here, and the view I behold on a sunny day, sunshiny day, is grand on the chimney pots over the way. So this line is given, both of the lines are given in the poem. You have to imagine you are looking out of the window of this room, and what do you see here? मीन्स आपको बताने की, अगर आप इस तरह की मतलब किसी रूम के विंडो से बाहर देखते हैं, देन व्हाट विल यू सी? You have to illustrate that, and you have to write just like a paragraph here. You have to describe the same thing, that what will you see here. So it is mostly sunny, it's so hot and humid outside, the air feels so thick and sticky, the sun is so bright, it's so perfect outside, not a cloud in the sky. I couldn't ask for a better day than this. I could see chimney pots over the way. So I have written my views here. You can write your own views also here. And the next one is the third question. Was the third one? In third question, what is given here? Some words are given here, like some lovable words, some funny words, which we always use with our for our mother, father, sister, brother, pet, or friend, or favorite book or toy. So here is given that you have to tell your funny name, otherwise lovable name. What you call your mother in fun, what you call your mother in love. So what do you call? Like angry bird, alarm clock, early bird. Like this, some words you can write about your mother, that what you call your mother. Like father, CCTV, Google. So like these words you can use for your father. These are funny words, funny names which you call to your uh, some relatives, like father, mother. Next is a friend. What will you say? Owl, hero, oi, foodie. So like these words you always use for your friends. Like for sister and or your brother, what will you use there? Like smiley, oldie. Okay. Like for pet, tiger, shiru. Okay. Next, like for favorite book, what do you call? Like my dream, knowledge bank. Okay. So any of the name, whatever you think about your favorite book, you can write here, no issues. Next is like for favorite toys, what do you call here? Like for favorite toys, like doll, princess. So I have just written some names which were in my mind. Okay, you can write your own words also, whatever you think, that no, I will call my father this, I will call my mother this, I will call my friend this. So any of the word you can write here, means you have to write your funny name. Okay, so this was the solution of this poem. So if you have any of the request about any chapter, about any poem, so you can write in the comment box, and with this one you will get word to word solution of this poem also. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day, everybody.